if you come stay here, this is what you have to look forward to. This is kind of cool. Sometimes you get the Jeep tours and there's tour people saying stuff. Anyways.
Hey! I'm eating the cake.
Yeah. Nice one. 2, 3. Woohoo! Team Giroux. We're going to Sedona. Yeah, baby. Let's do it. Potty time. Let's go, guys. Be safe. Where are we? Sunset Point.
I don't
Something. You know that song? I just made it up.
No. Hello.
Follow the leader, guys. Pit stop. Onward.
Hey, where are you going?
I gotta go potty. Hey there, coming to you from Sedona. We're off 525 Low Butte, and then we took the OHV trail, which is called Outlaw. Oh no, cactus field! Look at Lucy go through it. She doesn't even care. Ouch! Ow! Oh! That looked like it hurt. All right, here I go. It's like lava. I made it. I'm safe. I'm all right. Come on, Emily.
Yay! Can I go down?
How are you gonna get down there?
There. And up, Emily.
Good job. Ooh, nice muscles. Oh, yeah.
Whoa.
Lucy, let's go. Look at those balloons. They went up, then down, up and down, up and down. Oh, I'm gonna get you. Looks like a little island.
It is.
What do you got, Caitlin?
House.
Oh, nice.
House.
What are you doing? I'll get you.
Daddy. Just do it. Come on.
Ah! Ah, that was the best play ever. I love it. Oh, yeah, yeah. Ooh, it's crispy. Oh, there we go. Yeah, good catch. Oh, yeah. Okay. Go. Oh, go. Oh, you did it. Hey, camera girl. Oh, what's going on over here?
5, 4, you can't eat. No. 1, time's up. Don't touch.
Oh my gosh, are you eating dirt?
No, I'm eating a cake.
That's gross.
I'm the judge. It's really cute, and I like the little candy tree. But you should put some fondant on here.
Hey, where's my drink?
Bartending with Aundrea.
This is gonna be the best drink ever. This is like front counter service out the side of the RV.
We'll mix.
Yeah, pour that in there.
Mix.
Give me some more of that. Tito's. Does Tito's do that? I don't know. I just did. Oh, that might be too much.
Oh, Papa.
Did you wash your hands?
I guess we'll have to taste it and find out.
I can't wait to taste it.
Cheers.
Thanks, man. Yeah. It's maybe limey. Did you put more liquor in there?
You guys saw I put more liquor in there.
I don't taste it. This is my first drink. Anyways is a very common word for a conversational topic changer. Anyways.
Hey.
Nice.
Thanks, Trish. Yeah, I'm getting wet.
Out here. Oh, I hope I didn't break my door. That's all right. RVs are super durable. They never break down.
Where's Waldo?
All right, do it. Why are you laughing? What's so funny? Are you crying?
This,
Is that Waldo to you?
the big boys are trying to kiss the potatoes.
Look like what you're doing. I like that. I don't have hair to do that.
What are you doing, Daddy?
Checking solar before and after tilt. Tilting does help, but it's a pain. I'll see you in 30 minutes. Using my Klein Tools clamp tester. Uh-oh, what's this one? Are you in front of one? You gotta get out of the light. Maybe I'm in the light too, huh? What? That panel's 5.2 amps. And this panel, which is tilted, is less than that. What's up with that? All right, last panel. Here we go. This is the worst one to do. Whoa! Okay, I'm still alive. I'm right here. I didn't die. In case you're wondering, this is really tricky when it's windy or snowy. Takes about 20 to 30 minutes to do 3 panels. I gotta move over. Okay, all 3 panels that I tilted are down, and we can pack up the rest of the rig and leave. Tilt your panels definitely helps. Definitely a pain in the butt. See you next time.